Welcome to Beautyistic, where we keep it real with the best in beauty products. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for tools that make your hair routine easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at the Moen 14913 Replacement Stream Straightener in Chrome, a product that promises to bring a fresh, sleek finish to your hairstyling. Now let's dive into the details of this straightener. The Moen 14913 is a replacement part for a shower head that's designed to help with hairstyling, which means it's not just any ordinary tool. It's a precision product aimed at streamlining your routine, especially when you're looking for a quick fix in between full styling sessions. This product is lightweight, weighing just about 0.2 pounds, and comes in a sleek chrome finish that complements most modern bathrooms. The dimensions are compact, making it easy to handle and install. So how does this piece actually perform? Well, I've had a chance to use it, and it's as simple as it gets. The Moen Stream Straightener provides a precise, consistent flow of water that allows for easy hair rinsing, which can actually help with better straightening results. While it's primarily designed for functionality, the chrome finish also adds a touch of elegance to your shower setup. Let's talk about the practical side. For me, the straightener is super easy to install, no complicated setup. The water flow is gentle, but still strong enough to ensure you get the coverage you need when rinsing your hair. It's one of those products that, once you use it, you wonder how you managed without it. There's no noticeable splash or uneven water pressure, so it's smooth sailing in terms of functionality. However, the chrome does tend to show water spots, which can be a bit of a hassle to clean after every use. When we talk about value, here's where it gets interesting. At its price point, the Moen 14913 doesn't break the bank, and it certainly gets the job done. For someone looking to upgrade their shower head to something a little more versatile, this is an affordable solution. Sure, it's not the most innovative or feature-packed in terms of styling tools, but it does its job well for its intended purpose. I wouldn't say this is for someone who's looking for a high-tech solution or expecting multifunctional features. But if you're in the market for something practical and straightforward to help make your daily routine a bit smoother, the Moen Stream Straightener is a good option. If you're considering similar products, there are a few alternatives out there, but for the price and functionality, this one stands out as a reliable option. For instance, other high-end shower heads might offer additional features, like adjustable spray settings, but you'll be paying much more for those. In terms of build quality, the Moen 14913 does a solid job. The chrome finish looks good, and despite being a replacement part, it doesn't feel cheap. It's sturdy enough to handle everyday wear and tear without issue, and if you take care of it, it should last you a long time. As for customer support, I didn't personally reach out to Moen, but the brand is known for decent customer service in case you run into any issues during installation or use. To sum it up, the Moen 14913 Replacement Stream Straightener in Chrome is a solid, no-frills tool that gets the job done. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your shower experience and streamline your hair routine without breaking the bank, this is a reliable, affordable option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comments or description box for a link to purchase the Moen 14913. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.